Good morning. Lesson 5, more about MSW logo, part 3, procedures in logo. A procedure is a method of doing particular task. A logo procedure is a set of commands given in a particular order. A procedure has three parts. Title line always starts with the word to, TO2. It contains the name of the procedure. Body, it contains all the commands for drawing a figure. And end line, it contains the word end, END, end. It tells the computer that commands in the procedure are over. Rules for naming a procedure. The first character is always an alphabet. Rather that, it can contain numbers and special characters also. But the first character is always an alphabet. Logo commands like BK, FD, RT and logo symbols like brackets, arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide and blank spaces are not allowed. It is better to give a meaningful name to the procedure. Now let us see how we can do it practically. First of all, we have to open logo. Now in command input box, I will type 2 and let us assume that we are drawing circle. So I will give the name circle for my procedure. Enter. Now I can see a small dialog box open here which is asking for input. In this input, we can type as many as commands we want to draw a circle. Here I am writing only one command, that is repeat command, repeat 360 FD1 RT1 and OK. Now next input, last input will be end, 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 which tells the computer that the commands for the procedure is over. And as soon as I press enter, then I get a message circle defined. It means my procedure with the name circle is defined now. So this is how we can write a procedure. Now, if I want to edit the procedure, then I use EDOL button present near the execute button. So I will press on EDOL. It opens an editor which shows me my procedure with name, body and end line. 2 circle, repeat 360 FD1 RT1 end. And now if I want to change any of the thing, I can change it here and then I can save it. So this is the way how to edit the procedure. Now next is saving a procedure. To save a procedure, I will give the command save space double quotes and my procedure name, that is circle, and enter. So it is showing me that circle is saved. Also I can click on file tab, save as button, and I can give my file the name. For example, I am giving the name CIR and save. So my file is being saved. So there are two ways to save a procedure. Now loading a procedure. There are two ways also to load a procedure. First is the same, like click on file tab, load. A dialog box appears. Now I can select the file to be loaded. For example, I am saying this CIR file to be loaded and open. And the other way is to type LOAD load and double quotes circle. Enter. Now if I want to run my procedure, what should I do? I will simply give the name circle, and when I press enter, you can see a circle drawn on my main screen like this. So a procedure is very helpful, and once a procedure is defined, we can use it as many number of times simply by giving only its name. So that's all for today. Thank you.